Hello all, welcome to Read to Share. Today's story is called Bear and Bird. Try again. Bear and Bird sat out in the sun, wondering what they could do. They'd stacked sticks and counted clouds, but wanted to try something new. That's when they heard the bike bells ring. Their friends were out for a ride. Bear gasped as his friends cycled by. There's something I haven't tried. Would you like to join us? Asked Goose. I would love to, Bear declared, but I've never ridden a bike before, and I am a little scared. That bike's a little big, chirped Bird, but this one's a bit too small. As the friends were chatting away, Bear took off and left them all. Struggling to balance on the bike, Bear tried to pedal and steer. He held on tight with all his might. I can't slow down, oh dear. He picked up speed, he didn't stop, and raced straight down the hill. You're doing okay, shouted Bird, and he seemed to be, until... Bump, clatter, crash! Bear flew through the air, just like Bird, and hit the ground with a thud. He scraped his elbows and his knees. He was now covered in mud. His friends rushed over. Are you hurt? You took a nasty tumble. I can't do it. It's just too tricky, Bear began to mumble. Of course you can, his friends replied, as they helped him to his feet. Give it another try, said Bird, and with that Bear climbed in the seat. With a little push, Bear set off, weaving and wobbling a bit. Then he began to pick up speed. I'm getting the hang of it. You're doing really well, chirped Bird, as he steered between two trees. Then suddenly a rock appeared, and he jumped the bump with ease. Bear was happy. He tried again, and his friends were all excited. That was amazing, Bear, cheered Bird. You must be so delighted. Bear said thank you to his friends. Their help was not in vain. If at first you don't succeed, make sure you try again. The end. Thank you for listening. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.